So in this video I'm going to show you how to make access list and access list rules and apply them on different interfaces on the ASA Firewall. So currently I have a topology setup right here. One is for inside network, which is this one, and the one is the outside network, which is this one, and two interfaces on ASA. And I already have configured routing with EIGRP, so we'll skip that part. You can watch previous videos on that, how you can do routing and basic IP configuration on ASA. So let's start with access list. So first of all, I want to activate telnet server here, and I want to access this router 4 with router 1. So and yeah, I don't want to let router 2 access the router 4 via telnet. So I'll be just permitting this router 1 to access telnet on router 4. So first of all, I'll just enable router 4, I mean telnet on the router 4. So let's line with UI04, which means like it'll let 4 simultaneous connections, and password Cisco exit enable password Cisco. That's it. Now I'll have to go on ASA and set up a rule that will allow me to telnet from router 1 to router 4. So first of all, I'll type configuration T, and now access list. Okay, so now you just define a name for the particular access list. I'm just going with tel and then extended, and after this you have to select permit or deny role. But I want to permit access to telnet, so I'll put permit there, and then you have to select the service or protocol, you can say. So I'll select TCP, and after this you have to select the host that will be our source IP host. That is source will be the inside network, that is 20.0.0.2. sorry, you have to say source host and 10.0.0.2, and now you have to define the destination host. That will be just one PC, so host, which is 20.0.0.2, and after that you have to select EQ, that is for port equality operator, and the telnet protocol. So we have successfully created an access list. Now we have to apply this access list on the interfaces of ASA, so it works in real. Otherwise it'll just stay like a list and it will not work. So for the access list to work, you have to create an access group, and you have to specify the name of our access list, which is tel, and which interface you want access list to apply it on. So I'm going to apply it on the outside of the interface, so it comes from here and gets here. So that connection is inside interface for that. So first I'll just write N for that, and now the interface, this interface is the outside interface, so I'll type outside, and that's it. Enter. Now we go to router 1 and try to access the router 4 from there. see if it's working or not. So here, telnet, the IP of our router 4 is 20.0.0.2. See, it works. Password will be Cisco, and here we go, we got the console. Enable password is also Cisco, and there. I'm just going to change some host name to telnet pond. Okay, confi, sorry, hostname telnet pond. That's it. And I'm going to exit from here, go on this console on router 4 and press enter. Yes, it works. So to check status of our access rule, how many times it was hit, we can go on the ASA and show access list, and so you can see that this is our access list. So now I want to make sure that I can ping from inside network to outside network without any issue. So that rule is pretty simple. Configuration T, access list, just name it something like ping, that'll work. Extended, now you have permit, and after that you have to select ICMP. Now I'm just going to give it like any source to any host, and that's it. Now you have to apply it on interfaces. So I'll go access group, ping is our access list, and I'm going to apply it on global because I want it on all the interfaces of the ASA, so it works on both sides. So ping and global interface, and that's it. So now you can check from any router to here or here, you can ping the other one. So I'm just going to ping .0.0.1. Sorry. Yeah, that is successful. So now I'm going here or here, let's say on router 3, and ping router 2, that is 10.0.0.3. Yeah, that is successful. Now we'll go to ASA and check the status of our rule. So show access list, ping. So you can see the hit count, we have done it twice, so it's showing up right here. So this is it. This is how you manage and create and apply access lists on ASA. And one more thing, yeah, we only permitted this router to go on this through telnet. So let's try that if we can go to telnet from here to there. So we'll go on router 2 and do a quick test that to prove that we cannot go there. So exit telnet, IP is 20.0.0.2, and yeah, you cannot access it. So yeah, this is it. This is pretty basic ones and the easy ones, but you can put your VirtualBox machines here and you want to do some big sort of experiment, then you can set up some web server up there on virtual machines and put here and check that if you can connect them or not. There are many possibilities, just explore them yourself. Peace.